Dr. Susan Spilman here. To follow up with the topic of children, helping children change the world, another part of that is how can we be role models, both role models for children as well as role models in the world. And this so often is a very similar issue to the ones with children, which is how can we learn to express ourselves in a way that is not harmful to ourselves, by repressing our feelings, by not saying what we feel, by not knowing how to say what we're feeling, and also not harmful to others in terms of lashing out at others, being critical of others, judgmental, all of those kinds of things. And so what we need to do is to look at our own issues around how do we deal with emotions, both for ourselves, of course, and also as role models for children, so that children will see that it's possible to express feelings in a kind, open, and direct way. And so this is another part of what I'm interested in talking about in Florida, and I hope you'll join me. I hope this is a topic that interests you as well. Okay, thanks.